What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing the sneezing prank part 2.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know where I can get my meat sucked?
What?
Where I can get my meat sucked?
What are you talking about?
You know, like getting your meat sucked. You know where I can go to get that?
Not really.
Oh, no, like not like this.
Not really.
You know? Dang, like no one does.
I'm not either because there's nothing. Well, we gotta get a bag to put it in, babe.
Oh, sorry. I kind of have the flu.
Oh, thanks.
Sorry.
Spit out.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to sneeze. It just came out.
Cleared to the business 15.
Sneezed all on me.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I have the flu. Kind of, yeah. Sorry. Oh yeah, I kind of have the flu, so my doctor's. Oh, sorry, yeah. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you want more, to see more pranks, and also share it with your friends so they can see it too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Cause a nigga cook like a professor. I don't know how you feel, can you tell me?